Hi, yeah, the name's Jimmy Fallon. Right, I was supposed to have a car here about a half an hour ago and No, I don't think you understand. I'm hosting the 2005 MTV Movie Awards. Yes, MTV has movie awards. Jimmy Fallon. Yeah, okay, well just get the car here pronto, okay? Because I have to be there.
Airplane.
Soon. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Whoa! Batman? Freaking Batman's my ride? How cool is that? Dude, I totally have your face all over my underpants.
Stay calm.
Yeah. Totally calm. Everybody calm. That's great. Totally cool. Hey, everybody! I'm in a car with Batman! I have his face all over my underpants! Woo! Hey, do you mind if I get a picture of you? My friends are never gonna believe this. Hold it. Hold it.
He is in a vehicle. That's a black tank.
I'm on him.
That makes two of us, because I'm also on him, too, as well. Over!
Nice. That someone was hurt in that one.
Who is this guy? I don't know, but he's in a tank. Tank Man? Does that sound right? Hey, there goes Tank Man. Just tanking around town. Over.
Breathe slowly.
Breathe slowly. Why?
You've been poisoned.
That's putting it lightly. Where's the AC? Dear MTV, driving with crazy person. Might be late. Frowny face, exclamation point. Send. Dude, you missed a spot back there if you want.
Hold on.
Okay, well, you got it. That was smooth, yeah.
Turn off your engine. Step away from the car.
All right, look, Batman, you're my hero, okay? But you're driving. Where are you going?
Pilot. Leslie Nielsen. This woman has to be gotten to a hospital.
A hospital? What is it?
It's a big...
Oh, the Batman doll. What are the odds? No!
He's flying on rooftops! He's flying on rooftops!
We hope you enjoy the rest of your flight.
Julie Haggerty.
By the way, is there anyone on board who knows how to fly a plane?
That's what I just said, Phil!
Whoa! After 3 decades of work and over 10,000 shingles laid by hand, I'm finally done!
Mayday! Mayday!
Curse you, a tank man!
He's coming right at us!
The big news is... Airplane.
Yeah, this is a pretty comfortable ride, even though you're hitting everything you see.
Arrow on the ground. We've lost visual.
We made it.
Stay with me.
Stay with you in what sense?
Romance.
I love you, Elaine.
I love you.
Holy awkward moment, Batman. Stop! What are you doing? Stop! Hey!
Mayday! Mayday!
the most incredible adventure the screen has ever created.
Quit it! Stop!
I mean, what kind of superhero are you anyway?
The kind that gets you the movie awards on time? Gosh!
Napoleon Dynamite?
Yes? Who'd you think was Batman? Superman?
No, why would it be Superman? That's stupid.
You're stupid.
No, I'm not. You are.
Whatever, just don't tell anyone I'm Batman or I'll kill you with my superpowers.
Batman doesn't have any superpowers.
What are you, some kind of Batman expert? I have buttloads of powers. Like rock climbing powers, samurai sword powers, hang gliding powers, and these sweet arm blades.
Hey, look, Napoleon, I gotta go host the movie awards.
Fine, then go! Wait, can you do just one thing for me?
What's that?
Be a flippin' awesome host.
You have my word. Thanks for the ride, man.
This show, it's gonna be incredible.
Ladies and gentlemen, the host of the 58th Primetime Emmy Awards, Conan O'Brien.